Hi, mister. Push this way. Bring it to mommy. Come on, mister. Come on, bring it to mommy. Come on. Yeah, you don't have to push it that way. There's a wheel. It's a lot easier if you go on the wheel. I guess you're not. You try. Yeah. Didn't. Let's go on the wheel. Come on. Ah. You're doing good. You're pushing good. See, he walks good, huh? Ooh! What are you gonna do? Shake it, boogie. Shake it, boogie. Hey, Toma, come back to Mama. You wanna say bye? Hey, who's gonna clean up that mess, mister? Mister. You wanna say bye-bye to Dada? Where's Dada? Toma. He has something going on. He's trying something. He's frustrating. Gotta pick up. Oh, kind of give up, huh? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay. Yeah, bye.